Let's take a moment to acknowledge the heart and mind behind many of our initiatives.
He is one and only the Peace School Managing Director, Mr. Nasir Sir, who believes in shaping young minds with wisdom, values, and excellence. It's our honor and privilege to welcome our MD Sir on the dais to this much awaited moment to inaugurate the logo of Peace Vision 2025-26.
Welcome to Peace Vision, empowering minds, nurturing leaders.
Let's welcome our coordinator ma'am, Ms. Malika Muzammil, as she takes us through the next part of our session with her detailed and insightful presentation.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Respected management, honorable parents, honorable chief guest, and my beloved team members, it gives me an immense honor and joy to be here today representing a school that was founded not just with bricks and books, but with vision and values. Peace International School was established in the year 2013. Since then, we have been striving hard to provide the best of education year after year, implementing innovative strategies and constantly upgrading ourselves. हर साल नए इरादे, नए तरीके, लेकिन मकसद वही, बेहतरीन तालीम. We not only focus on the average students, but we go even deeper, taking special care of our future learners through a unique concept of ICE, the Intensive Care Education. ये उन बच्चों के लिए है जिनको ज़्यादा तवज्जो, ज़्यादा मेहनत और ज़्यादा प्यार की ज़रूरत होती है. And now, with all our experience and dedication, we are stepping into an upgraded journey. This year, we proudly launch our next big step, that is the Peace Vision, the 10 commandments for a brighter future. These commandments are not just plans. They are promises made with sincerity, structure, and soul. Promises to prepare our children for both the worlds, dunya bhi or akhirat bhi. So let's begin with our first commandment, that is Peace Arabic Academy. This is a dedicated wing of Peace English Medium Schools where our children are trained to become a complete Hafiz alongside excelling in Arabics. Here, Arabic is taught every day to read, understand, speak, and to live the language of the Quran. Understand the Quran and speak with barakah. जब कुरान समझ आता है तो ज़िंदगी जीने का मकसद भी समझ आ जाता है. Next, the second commandment of our Peace Vision is Hifzul Quran and Akhlaq program. Here, the students memorize the selected surahs with tajweed and tafsir while learning hadith, Islamic manners, and sunnah-based behavior. Till now, many of our students have memorized 8 to 10 paras even while balancing their SSC boards, their academics. From hearts filled with Quran comes lives filled with Noor. Next, the third commandment is creative thinking and problem-solving skills. Our students actively take part in debates, projects, reasoning games, and much more. We also use tools like Creative Boxes for high school and Wonder Wall for primary kids in order to develop innovation and logical thinking in our students. Because we think that creative thinkers are not just the toppers. Every student is a star. Next, student portfolio. This is a personal success file of a student. From the time the child joins our school till the time he gets graduated from our school, every step, every skill, every talent, every progress and achievement will be recorded in this file, inshallah. Your child's journey documented with pride. ये सिर्फ एक फाइल नहीं, आपके बच्चों के सपनों का सफ़र रहेगा, इंशाल्लाह. Next, goal setting and vision mapping. Right from grade 3 onwards, each student writes down their dream profession. Now, you might have also have an idea that the ID cards that we have issued this year, it has a special column named as the dream profession, that what they want to become in their future or what is their goal. And here, our initiative is to make the students to work hard to reach their goals, to reach their dreams. Here, we believe that our students are not just dreamers, but they are planners and they are executors. सिर्फ सपने देखना ज़रूरी नहीं, उन तक का रास्ता बनाना और उस तक पहुंचने की मेहनत करना भी बेहद ज़रूरी है. Next, skill-based leadership teams. Here, the children will be placed in inspiring teams like innovators, techies, peacemakers, and nature guardians, discipline squad, homework monitors, and much more. They will take on real leadership challenges, real leadership roles in order to develop their leadership skills, in order to make themselves responsible, and most of it to overcome their stage fear. Because we believe that leadership is learned only by doing. Next, Peace Parent Partnership Program. This P3 program is an initiative that we have started to make a stronger bonding between the home and school. Here, we will conduct parent-student activities, continuous feedback sessions regarding the students, development, progress, and his achievements. And from now on, every second Saturday will be reserved for the parent-teacher meeting in order to discuss the weekly progress, the monthly progress of the students, inshallah, where we, the school, and the home, the student grows together. बचपन की बुनियाद तभी मजबूत होती है जब स्कूल और वालिदैन दोनों मिलकर उससे तालीम देते हैं. आइए मिलकर बनाएं हर बच्चे का मुस्तकबिल रोशन. Next, the 8th commandment is the digital literacy and AI awareness. As this is the digital world where everything is controlled by AI, we too need to develop ahead, right? So here, in our school, we use OHP, smart boards, and safe browsing facilities, all under proper guidance for enhanced classroom learning. Because in today's world, tools are smart, but users need to be smarter. Smart tools need wise users. सिर्फ टेक्नोलॉजी होना काफ़ी नहीं, उसकी समझ होना भी ज़रूरी है. Next, the 9th commandment, the 9th initiative of Peace Vision is karate for physical fitness. Our school offers karate classes to promote physical health, confidence, and self-discipline. Karate helps the children to focus, respect, and how to channel their energy in the right way. Because, as it is said, healthy body makes a peaceful mind, right? So let's move on to the last but not the least, the 10th commandment of our Peace Vision, that is Peace Talent Stage. Here, every student, depending on his unique skills, on his unique ability, will showcase their hidden talents, will be allowed to discover their hidden talents in them, like Quranic recitation, storytelling, art, science demos, and much more. Because every child has a spark that is waiting to be discovered, where every child feels like a star. हर बच्चा चमक सकता है, बस उसे चमकने के लिए एक मंच की ज़रूरत है. और and Peace International School will be that stage to discover that hidden talent of our children, inshallah. So this is Peace Vision. This is not just a plan, but an identity. Not just a step, but a leap into the future. Together, with your support and duas, we are nurturing a generation that will walk with ilm, akhlaq, and iman. Jazakumullahu khairan for joining in this beautiful journey.
MashaAllah.